appreciated that this way.
Well, I hope they get the rest of it down. There it goes. That is video number 6, getting the front part of the house torn down. It is a mess. This is video number 6. Huh? No, this is number 6. No, a while ago I told you number 5. And that last one was not much going on because the guy was stopping and looking for stuff. The last guy that run the excavator found the swordfish that Daddy had at the fish market, and he said he was going to give it to his son.
Have you eaten today?
Only cereal. Only
So
cereal.
would you like to have a CJ Club?
What's the CJ Club? Is
You
it?
probably wouldn't want the horseradish
No, I don't like it.
mayonnaise, but it's ham. I don't know what all kind of
I've got food at home,
Okay.
and I'll
I
eat.
just need to go get a money order.
Yeah. I'm going to eat fish tonight.
Black thing going.
That thing there? Yep, and it's full of seashells. Look at all that liquid. Where's that coming from?
Ain't no telling. I'm telling you.
That could be the hot water heater,
Could be.
but
I don't see the whole thing. I don't even know what the bathroom was. I kept looking the whole time I was watching it.
oh, that's right. We ain't, no, and the tub, I ain't seen the tub.
Right on the other side.
Well, the pipe coming up from the roof is still sticking up there.
Maybe that means it's got
But they took Ronnie's old car out there and put it
look at that
at
thing.
Sunlight.
Look at that. Nice. Oh, he's seen it. That is a nice post. Really good boy. Look at that boy, David.
Yeah.
There's another one. There goes a good boy. Can't get it, boy. Can't get it. He did good getting the boys what he did.
Yeah. Oh, he got it. He's already, I think, put it over there.
Oh yeah, it ain't that hard.
Well, I've been up since 4:30.
I've been up since 3:20.
That is a telephone line now.
I can't sleep. Been up since 3:20.
I got up, read my Bible, rested my eyes, but I actually fell asleep in the recliner. That's some kind of electrical line. Or it could be,
Gas?
yeah, gas line. Yeah, that's copper. Yeah. No, that's just boards.
That is boards that he had just put in the house. Perfectly good boards. Yeah, yes, he had them just sitting somewhere.
You want to go get them and pull them out of the way? Or do this? You can do this. Just do that and I'll get them.
He had them stored in there. That's a jewel of a find. That's nice boards. There's several of them. There's like about five or six. That's gold right there. Yes, yes. They had to have been.
They must have been in that middle room covered up. Yeah, that's copper tubing there.
Yeah. Oh, it even has a thing.
Yeah. But look at all the mirrors, Connie, right there. And that's to help him see behind him and oh. Look at that dust. It is, but I didn't know who that was on the wall.
I don't know who it is either, but I just remember we never took the deer down. I'm going in the living room.
Well, somebody that was here earlier working found a gun, like a old rifle or something.
What did they do with it?
They put it over there by the wash house.
Yeah, because I don't want that one to do it. Smells like I smell apples.
Well, not there on me, but somebody smelled. Huh? I know, but today when I went and fed the horses, somebody had fed them apples, and they were on the ground in different corrals, and I had to wash them off and put them in their trough. Yeah. Well, Connie ain't got to the bathroom yet.
Yeah, I told Nikki that it was almost through. I told her it was through. I thought it was. And then I figured by the time I got here. She said, well, I know all the neighbors' pictures of that.
Oh, yeah.
City.
Oh, yeah. But Johnny Millender came a while ago, and
Yeah, you told me.
he said he was sorry to see it go, and I said, well, I'm not. I said it's about to fall down.
I was talking to Sonia at the school, and she said that exactly what I said. She said, Miss Connie, we went to the land.
Mm-hmm.
She said, when we were small, it looked like it was so huge.
Mm-hmm.
Now, it seems so small.
Yeah.
And I said, that's what I said yesterday at the conference.
Well, that's the way I felt when I first come back home from being in Lakeland.
Yeah.
I saw the town and it looked so small.
Yeah.
Because I'd been in the big city of Lakeland.
Yeah. You got a big old wig log in the thing. Look.
In the track?
No, yeah, in that. See that?
Oh yeah, he can knock that out though.
Trying to grab that.
But I think after it rains, we'll be able to find. You got an ant there. We'll be able to find glass. See it when it washes it. He said it's supposed to rain tomorrow.
It is. It's like a 75%.
Yeah. There goes the bottle brush.
Yeah, if you want one, you better go grab it. Look at the wood and the floor today. Ain't that crazy? It's such board.
That is so dusty.
That's why it's good it is something.
Dusty, dusty, dusty. Connie, hold this and I'm going to try to get that bottle brush.
He's got it, David. Just don't worry about it. You wanted that black thing going, though. You ought to shove it over there. Can't be running out there.
I ain't wanting to get in his wagon.
Yeah. The black thing. He's getting it.
Yeah, all right. Good. But that's full of shells.
Oh, that looks like sweet stuff.
All them shells I picked up, because I'll be picking them up for the next 20 years.
Guess we'll have to cut that tree down.
No, he told me he was going to take it, but he's focusing on this.
I want him to, because now it's a danger.
And he said he would even try to get that one, that camphor tree, but he said he didn't want the roots to disturb the sidewalks.
Woo! What was that?
I don't know what that was.
I've never seen nothing do that.
I don't know what.
Stuff.
I ain't no telling, honey.
It didn't seem to bother him. Maybe spray.
There ain't no telling.
Oh, look at the little red table, David. Go get it.
Go get
Go
it.
get it.
Oh, now, Connie. Where is it at? I see it, but what room is
I
that?
have no idea. Oh, Papa's old room right outside the bathroom. I reckon.
I think it's the bathroom.
You're right.
I think it
But
is
where's
the
that?
bathroom.
We ain't seen it. Yeah, that's the shower. I ain't seen no toilet yet. I ain't seen
Yeah,
no
the
toilet.
toilet's right there to the right of the red table.
Okay. All right. Yep. He's in the bathroom.
What? The bathroom?
It's little. Look how little it is.
Yeah, it's little.
I remember remember taking baths in a number 3 wash tub.
Yep, and I thought we were the only ones, but then Lillian Smith, her son was preaching at church one day or talking at church, and he said that they took baths. They took baths in a number 3 tub.
Hey, I had friends when they come over to my house because of that.
Because it was something different?
Yeah. Yeah. I wanted to go to theirs, and they wanted to come to mine. Oh, they loved it. They thought that was cool.
There's a school desk.
Oh, no, I'd love to have that. Is it intact?
Well, it was, or maybe was.
It's still there.
No, it ain't intact.
I do not see the green. There's the green here.
No, it ain't.
David, on the porch.
No, that ain't it. I don't think that is.
That ain't it.
No. That's what I thought too. Well, I already.
But it might have done it. It might have last night. It's almost time I got to get a pump.
Thank God for getting this done. Glory to Jesus. Praise the Lord Jesus. What is it? Do you remember the little house that used to be on the other
Yeah, I
side?
love that.
And that's where
That's what I'm saying.
Daddy,
Those are so cute.
Daddy and Mama lived there.
Yeah.
And Daddy had bought Mama a new stove, and Blanche hid her, used her hand to hide it when she was walking in because she didn't want to accept him. That's the best. That is a mess, Connie. That is a mess. But hopefully he'll go ahead and get the rest of that.
Everybody's storing everything under the sun.
Huh?
Everybody's storing everything from under the sun, you know.
Yeah.
Everybody. Just take it to Grandma's house. Pack it in there.
Yeah.
It's almost safe now.
Well,
Get that one wall sorted.
they're getting a load for tomorrow morning
Yeah.
because the landfill don't open till 9. And then they'll
They
come.
treat us much different nowadays.
Oh yeah.
See, I want so much that I can't choose and that I'll have them arrested. I'm going to put up with it. Some people arrested. Oh, I had the greatest idea.
Boy.
If they get here and you let the fan down and all, here on the land with a big picnic table and have a memorial to them.
That sounds good.
I think it's
That
I
think that sounds very good.
I think that we all need that type closure.
Yeah.
And I think he come to me.
I think that's very good. Yeah.
Yeah, I want to do it.
I'll tell Pastor.
Yeah.
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 Well, yeah, but I'll still tell him. But yeah, that's a very good idea. And of his friends, Ronnie's friends?
Yeah. It's been
Like a memorial.
I think it'll be good for Seth, and I know it'll be good for all of us.
Yeah, and Lorenzo, all of the.
Anybody that wants to stop by.
But we'll have to make sure we get everything clear.
Yeah, I want it to be clear and safe, but I might have to tell them
Well, one of them's real heavy. We might can borrow a couple from the church.
But I think we'll get it.
We'll
We'll get it. If not, people can pull up and sit on the tailgate.
well, we could have a tailgate.
Tailgate party.
Yeah. If we can get it ready. And if we can't get it New Year's, we'll get it ready when we can.
Yes, we do. Yeah.
Well, I text Angel on Messenger and asked her would she consider taking Blanche for a ride, and she said yes, but she was wanting to do that anyway. So, and Blanche had requested it be her.
I know what else is up to, but I pray that she will just.
Well, she said her or Kyle.
There's the thing. No, it's not. Hey, who needs to stop? We need that. We need that. That.
That, Connie, is.
That is the old.
I know, but it's wore out. It ain't no good. It's wore out. I know, but it's wore out. Some of the doors is missing.
That's an old table record player.
Big troller.
Big troller. I used to play it.
But
And Eugene and Marty used the records for Frisbee.
Yeah. Yeah. You can't let antique stuff fall in the hands of kids.
Big old big one out there, though. Another one of the big ones.
Yeah, but it ain't very long.
No.
It's only about 8 feet, 6 feet. Well, it is wore out. He just got something stuck in that scoop. It'll come out though. He's trying to knock it out. He's trying to get it out, but it won't. It's jammed. Got one more section. I think I'm gonna make some chicken and dumplings maybe tomorrow, and use the Pillsbury things for the dumplings. Yeah, them trees right there is pretty. Them oak trees. That corner porch right there, Connie, Mama told me she used to let a serviceman and his wife live on that front porch during the war.
Wow, that's the whole thing.
What is what? Oh, that's the pipe. Yep. Well, it's down. It ain't a wrap yet, but it's down.
Let me tell Bobby I want him to somebody.
They need to come and get them beams. 2x12. The beams and the 2x12s.
Hey, love, here's some. We got a bunch of nice 2x12s and bunnies and the set. I'm going to take them and give back whoever you need several of them, and y'all come and get this before somebody comes and takes it.
Because they are,
It's all gone.
they are taking things.
Yeah, they are taking things. They're setting things in the middle of the night. And if you'll do that, I'd appreciate it. Yeah.
Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. He is greatly to be praised. Dry dirt right there. It ain't seen rain in about 100 years. Right there where the house was. That's gonna be a lot of broke glass to try to get out of there. I think that might be it for today.